The cells in your ear are involved in detecting and directing sound waves and translating them so that the brain can allow you to hear. The sound waves are collected by the outer ear and channeled into the eardrum, where it is amplified by three tiny auditory ossicles in the middle ear. The sound waves are now ready to get translated in the cochlea into nerve impulses, the language which our brain understands. The cochlea in the inner ear contains an organ called organ of Corti, which plays a crucial role in hearing. The organ of Corti lies above the basilar membrane and extends along the length of the cochlea. At one end of the membrane, it is more narrow and stiffer and responds to vibrations of high-pitched sounds, whereas the other end is more wider and flexible and responds to vibrations of deeper sounds. The outer hair cells amplify the incoming sound impulses, whereas the inner hair cells converts mechanical stimulations into electrical impulses. The sound vibrations rock the organ of Corti and tilts the microvilli. The tilting opens the ion channels in the membrane of microvilli and causes the entry of potassium and calcium ions into the hair cell. The increase in more positive ions inside the hair cell triggers a receptor potential, which allows calcium channels in the membrane to open. The calcium channels opening triggers the entry of calcium ions into the hair cell, which in turn triggers the release of neurotransmitters. The neurotransmitters then triggers an action potential in the auditory nerve fiber, which are then translated into the primary auditory area in the brain. And this is how you hear.